Here now with our trades today is Danielle Shay, VP of Options at Simpler Trading. Danielle, since you're the GOAT, I'm going to ask you an additional layer here because when I checked this morning, Netflix shares were up 3%, and now they're negative. The whole Nasdaq's negative. I don't know. Maybe you can just add some color there to what's going on with the stock here.
So, Kelly, when you look at the stock over the course of the last quarter, we've seen a very bullish move. I mean, last quarter after earnings, it did fall 2.8%, but we had buyers come in ever since. And yesterday it was up 5.5%. When you look at that, that's bullish price action. Yes, it is down slightly today, but the Nasdaq's extended. Netflix has already had a huge move. And so that's why when I'm looking at this stock, I say, hey, you know what? It's longer term bullish, but the earnings move may very well be priced in today.
Right, because everyone was telling us, oh, just wait, this could be an earnings. And I'm like, okay, if you're telling me it's probably priced in.
Yes, that's exactly true. And when you're looking at the options market, you can see that there's a pretty big move priced in. We have a $40 move that's being priced in today. Wow. And so as an options trader, when I see a stock that is in a bullish trend and we've already had a big move, there's a lot of news surrounding it. What happens is the IV gets incredibly high and it provides a premium selling opportunity. So with Netflix, I like to come in, sell the calls and the puts, but buy some outer layers as protection and take advantage of an IV crush overnight.
All right, bulls, take note because, this makes sense to me based on all of the optimism that I'm seeing. Let's move on to Tesla, kind of a similar story. Huge rebounder this year. Shares have more than doubled and are just 5% off their 52-week high. It comes as the company is actually expected to post its worst automotive profit margins in years thanks to a series of price cuts. Investors are also listening for updates on the Cybertruck, which has finally started production, and anything AI related. Danielle, I know you're a longtime fan of Tesla. What do you do with it here at 294?
So, Kelly, when you look at the stock right here, you can see that there's some area of resistance overhead about 310, 315, and Tesla has a market maker move priced in of about $20. So when I'm looking at this stock and I'm taking into account everything that's occurred over the course of the last 6 months, you have the price cuts. I think those are bullish. I think the fact that Teslas are now able to get that tax rebate, I think that's huge. And additional car makers taking on the Tesla charging standard, I also think will be huge for Tesla. So I'm looking at this stock to break up above the 315 price point, hopefully on earnings. If we can't get it on earnings today, I'm still looking at those longer term price patterns to break it up through that zone and cause a FOMO-induced buying rally for continued upside in this stock.
Wait a minute. You're telling me we're not already in a FOMO-induced buying rally?
Oh, we absolutely are. And that's what's amazing about these areas of price resistance is every time we hit one of those zones and the price keeps going higher, people say, oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm not involved. And even though it's up so much already, they continue to buy it, which causes the stock to continue skyrocketing.
All right, 294 into the print, which could be a dramatic one. Let's end on one name that started out okay this year, but has been struggling in recent months. Travelers shares down 9% since Jan 1 as insurers get hit with catastrophe losses. That's a key number to watch. Morgan Stanley noting Travelers also has strong investment income and disciplined expense management, but more car accidents and costlier claims continue to be a headwind. Now, you might wonder, why did I pick Travelers, Danielle? But I was looking for a stock that you were much more bearish on, and this seems to fit the bill.
Yes, that's correct. And when you look at the stock, I really do not like the way that it's been behaving over the course of the past few months. And then also look at Progressive. Progressive last week rolled over post earnings. And I think that same thing could happen with Travelers. The two charts have very similar patterns. And when you look at the way that the trend has shifted into a bearish trend, we have some consolidation and we have a lot of overhead resistance. So I think with Travelers, you have resistance around 175. You have about a $5 expected move, and I think it can easily fall off a cliff here. So I'm looking for this stock to trade down into the 155, 160 price point. Ultimately, the monthly charts, I will say, continue to look bullish. So this is more of a short-term short for me. Until we get into a decent pullback zone to resume the longer-term uptrend.
That's interesting because it really has been a reversal of fortune for some of these insurers this year. Pretty remarkable to see. Danielle, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much.